Alright, howdy Archery fans, Dennis here. This is a look at a homemade do-it-yourself bow press I'm in the process of building. So I have 2 square tubes, 1 inch by 36 and 1 1/4 by 36. Got a 36-inch long threaded rod, 3/8 by 16 by 36 stainless steel. I've got some wing nuts for that rod, and let's see, I've got a piece of scrap 2x10 that I had at the house that I'm gonna mount it on. A couple of 2x4s just are gonna use to stand it up, and I got some washers and some nuts. These are the adapters for to catch the ends of the limbs that I made out of a piece of 2x4 and some L brackets. So I'll proceed and then show you as I go. Thanks. And here's the almost finished bow press. Howdy Archery fans, Dennis here. Show you the finished, basically finished, I may make some more modifications. Finished version of the homemade compound bow press. Came out pretty good. There's a couple of things that I'm not completely happy with. So let me just kind of show you what I had to do here. Okay, so I have a threaded rod with a wrench locked down with washers and nuts as a handle to turn it. And then I've got the 2 different sizes of square tubing. And to lock the nut in the movable tubing, first I used a wing nut and had ground out a slot on each side here to fit the wing nut in, and then just tried to like tape it so it would move out of there. But that ended up binding up and actually stripped a portion of the rod, so I flipped it around.